Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the simplest causes, battery and connection. First, charge both earbuds above 50% so low power isn't muting one side. Then inspect and gently clean meshes and contacts. Debris often blocks sound. Next, forget the headphone from your device's Bluetooth list and perform the factory reset. Usually hold the multi-function button for around 10 seconds. This clears pairing glitches. Once done, pair again and test audio balance before moving to deeper diagnostics. Now you dig into software and source issues. Update firmware through the vendor app because fixes often restore lost channels. On your phone or PC, check audio balance and toggle mono/stereo playback. Misset balance can sound like a failed driver. Change Bluetooth codec settings, switch between AAC, SBC, or aptX to rule out codec incompatibility. Then test the headphones with a different phone and, if supported, try a wired connection or adapter. This separates source problems from hardware failures. You've covered resets and software, so now finish with repair decisions. If the issue persists, contact the manufacturer for warranty service because internal driver or solder failures require expert repair. Out of warranty, weigh replacement of the faulty driver or swapping internals if you have soldering skills. Small microspeakers are often replaceable. If you attempt DIY, use ESD-safe tools and a magnifier. If nothing works, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Try another clean pair of earbuds on the same device to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.